Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another Temu haul, and this time I have not spent my money. Well, I'm lying. Yeah, you definitely placed another order. But anyway, this video is gonna be different because I'm actually sponsored by Temu. They gave me a credit of $40. Yeah. But I mean, honestly, it's not that bad because Temu is the spot. Like when I say it's the spot, if you're looking for dollar things, if you're looking for $2 things, you can find something. So I actually was able to get a couple of different things from Temu for the $40 budget that they gave me. So let's get into it. The thing that will always amaze me with Temu is how they are able to just fit everything so snugly in here. Like when I tell you they really try to make sure that they are cost effective with their shipping, they make sure every single thing gonna fit in that one package. But basically I ended up getting the stand right here. I thought this was so adorable. This would actually go great in my bedroom because I have a ton of different perfumes and body sprays and things of that nature. And I'm trying to switch it up. So I think this is so I think this little pop of, like, I guess you could call it like a jade green, is pretty nice. And honestly speaking, I was quite impressed with the quality of the like home decor items that they have in Temu. So if you're on that budget, first time moving out, first time apartment, I would definitely hit up Temu because they have a lot of nice things when it comes to decor. I think this is actually supposed to be like a dessert tray or table. I'm gonna repurpose it and use it for a holder for like all of my smell goods. It does come with these little handles on the side. It isn't scratched. It actually looks like it's going to be very nice. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh, yes, I totally forgot I ordered this. All right, so this is something I was actually very excited to get. This is a jewelry holder, and I needed something for my rings because I do have a lot of rings and I don't want to mess them up, but I also don't want to lose them because it's very hard for me to keep track of them. So I ended up getting this cute little thing right here, and I think this is good for, like, you know, if I want to throw my real jewelry down, my costume jewelry. It's like a little, I want to assume this is like an aloe plant, and they did have different ones. I think they had a snake plant and something else, but I thought this was adorable, and honestly the quality is really nice. Just put the rings right on here. They're nice and safe. I'm happy. I'm really trying to master the art of doing my eyebrows because I feel like they're always different every single time I attempt, but I did need another tool. So this is like a eyebrow comb situation. So you'll put it towards your brows and then you just snip along the way. And I like it kind of has like that metallic, well, is it metallic-y? Like an oil spill kind of look to it. I've always been in love with that particular design. Oh, I was about to say, where the other earring at? All I saw was a package like this. I was like, yo, where the other one at? So I got these earrings here. They just open up like so. But I just like cute little earrings like that. They are actually pretty cute, and I think that these type of like little earrings are perfect if you just want to add a little something to your look. But wait, hold on. This is like the most important part that I wanted to show you guys. I took off two pieces of jewelry, and look at that. These are also something that I have not seen before, kind of different. They kind of remind me of like, what do you call those things? Are they symbols? I think it is, like when you together. Ooh, these are nice. I like these. So these are definitely adorable. If you have like a cute little outfit or something of the sort, you could definitely dress these up. And the best thing is that they're actually not too heavy. So probably, you know, if I put my hair up in a ponytail or something like that, I definitely love these earrings. They are adorable. And of course, I put them right here in my little jewelry holder. So I ended up getting another pair of earrings, and clearly you guys can tell I love earrings. These also feel like they don't have a lot of weight to them. So I think these would look adorable, you know, like if I'm wearing my hair up in a bun or in a high ponytail or anything like that. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. This is about to be like a running thing that I do for this video. But it's being used, okay? So this is more so in the home goods section, and I feel like I'm definitely getting old because I am the type of person where I like to curate my space, and also the containers for what I'm about to show you, I use these things like on a daily basis. So I ended up getting a 3-piece set for my bathroom, and I really like the transparent look. I don't know, in my brain it just kind of makes it seem like, you know, there's more space in the bathroom, if that makes sense, as opposed to something that is like a solid color. So I definitely like the transparent look. One of these containers will either be used for toner pads and my little cotton balls, because I do my nails a lot. I think this one might actually be for the toner pads, and that's what I need, because right now they're just sitting in that like plastic, and I just have to like open the drawer and open them up, and I'm just like, ugh, that's not aesthetically pleasing. So I love the fact that I have the almost lost the lid there. And then the last one that they have is this one right here, and this is for my Q-tips. So same thing, it's just easy access. You load this up and you take the Q-tips out. So again, you don't have to throw these away, and they're simple adhesive. All you have to do is just obviously take the adhesive side off, slap it on that titty, and you're good to go. So I just saw one of the items and I am super excited about these because I saw these. I really try to get into like this style or this trend, but for some reason I'm just like, I don't know if like that's for me or not. Like is that my style? I don't know. But I saw these, and honestly the only reason why I wanted them was just for this. Just for that really minimal, just gold detailing there. It's like a V, but it's like a cut inside of the glasses, and it's like, you know, lined with gold. I just thought that was really cute. I have no idea if this style works for me. I have some other glasses that I tried that are a similar style, but it just didn't look right in my face. So, moment of truth, let's see. Oh, these actually are not bad. I think my face shape is actually okay for these. And let's get that side profile. How I look, y'all. Am I rocking it? And I'm happy because, oops, I'm happy because they don't look too cheap. You know, like sometimes you get glasses from Temu and they may look a little too cheap, but these actually don't look too cheap, and the quality feels nice as well. I do wish that they came with a case, because with these type of glasses, I tend to just, I'm really hard when it comes to glasses. I throw them everywhere. So it would have been nice if these came with a case, but these are actually really cute and I'm happy about these for sure. I think these are a similar style, but I actually don't have any glasses in a clear color. Or I guess you could say this is kind of like a champagne clear, or just champagne actually. So it's exactly the same style, but obviously the actual frame is tinted differently. The only thing that I dislike about this one is, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has like a code or something on there, like a SKU code. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's the only thing I dislike about these, because it kind of makes it look a little cheap. Feel about these. I may let me see. So I'm probably gonna end up giving these to my sister because she can rock these way better than I can. All right, so I take it back. I was definitely throwing shade in the beginning, but after looking at everything, I definitely did get a good amount of products for 40 bucks. The quality of the products did not disappoint, and the only thing that I was not happy about was the glasses here, which is okay because I already knew this was gonna be a hit or miss. I actually did get a good amount of things, and I think that just speaks to Temu, because if you are somebody who like is on a budget and you are looking to save money but still have nice things, Temu's your place to go for sure. I do remember seeing a few comments asking me about the coupon code that I use. I honestly just got one from another influencer's video, but now I actually have one, so I'm a part of the cool crew. But yes, you guys can use my code. My code is APS28234. I will definitely have that here in the it's gonna be this one anyway, but let me know what you guys thought. If you do want to see another video, I will have that link here for Temu. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.